Hi, you're watching Patadendron, and in today's video, we are in a tropical plant paradise. We're checking things out at Kawamoto Nursery here on Oahu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, I'm Patrick, and I love plants. And if you do too, you should definitely hit that subscribe button. I love going on these planty adventures and taking you along with. So, if that sounds like something that would be fun for you, then hit that subscribe button. Today is one of those planty adventures. Oh, look at that. Hi. We are in tropical plant paradise. We are at Kawamoto Nursery here in Oahu. They have some beautiful plants, as you can already see. There's lots to look at. Let's go plant shopping. I think it is a cattleya. It is so pretty. Let's look in there. This one's 30. Oh, they don't just have orchids here, so this is gonna be a really fun tour. Look at these Fridex, Alocasia Fridex. Nice and healthy, happy, of course they are. These are $15. Nice. I'm really enjoying this orchid moment that I'm having. Here's one with the veins that I love. So pretty. Look at these oncidium flowers. They look so cute. I love the little flowers, and it says smell me, so we're gonna do just that. No, nothing. Ooh, that is nice. I wish that you guys can smell through the screen, because this is the most pleasant floral scent. It's got this like very delicate white flower scent, kind of like a very soft gardenia or maybe even like a soft jasmine, but I love it. It is so beautiful. I think these are Miltonias, but these are the plants that are for sale. These are $20. I don't know, I heard that these are kind of difficult. Ooh, they do have these, the beautifully scented oncidiums for sale for $25. This is cool. So remember in Norman's Orchids how they had the picture of the flowers above the plants? Well, here at this nursery, they have the actual plant with the flower for the sample above the plants, which I think is really cool. And this looks like an intimidating name to try to attempt. It says that it's fragrant, so let's give it a go. Oh, that's nice. It's very soft. Isn't this a beautiful flower? So pretty. It's not fragrant though. here's a Dendrobium. This is a Dendrobium sandera. Oh, this is pretty. Wow. Just look at that. This is a, let me see. What's an LC? Here's another beautiful one. This is another LC. They all say LC. I wish I know what an LC. Oh, hey. Why don't I Google it? Okay, so I Googled it, and LC is short for Leliocattleya. That makes sense. Check out the foliage on this. This is such a cool looking orchid. It's got those really cool patterns on the leaves, and this is the flower. It's so cool. So it's got a cool name too. It's labeled PYP, and I went ahead and Googled it, and it's short for Psychopsis, and this is just amazing. Oh yeah, these are $45. Let's check out that flower one more time. So many beautiful plants. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? I think this is a Vanda orchid, but oh, let's look how big the actual plant is. This is so cool. Amazing. These are zygopetalums. Look how cool the flowers are. Ooh, so this one's a dendrochilum. The flower is really interesting. Almost looks like wheat. These are just so beautiful. Look at these ferns. They have some fascinating ferns. Isn't that amazing? The texture. This is the Asplenium musifolium cobra. So they don't just have orchids here, they have but they don't ship these. So they have all kinds of Hoyas in bloom. They haven't quite opened up yet. Look at this Hoya croniana. $35. Isn't that amazing? They have Philodendron graziele, and is this Syndapsus? No, it's an Anadendrum affine. Wow, kind of looks like a mix of a Monstera siltepecana and Syndapsus. Feels like neither one. Ooh, they have Spathiphyllum Picasso. That's beautiful. I'm getting really excited. I need to keep my voice down. Anthurium. Is it the Warocqueanum? Ooh, brown marks, variegated. That's on my wish list. And this huge Syndapsus. Wow. Look, they have my dream plant too. Oh, I want it. I want it even more. I've never seen one this big in person. I think $7.50 is a good price. I mean, yes, that is obviously a lot, but for the plant. Oh, I got catfished. This is for the little guy. It's this leaf that I love. Here's another Monstera obliqua from Los Tallos. This one's $400. Here's some other ones. These are the Monstera obliqua Peru. $250 for these. $80 for Aglaonema pictum tricolor. So pretty. These leaves are amazing. I would love for mine to have big leaves like that. Hoya Thomsonii. Look at the cute fuzzy leaves. And Discidia numelarioides, or numelaria, dragon jade. Very cool. Ooh, this is a variegated Dieffenbachia. Very cool. And then, what's that? A crawling philodendron of some sort. Oh, it's a Ploumanii. It has, I thought it had like pretty plain looking leaves for a Ploumanii. Anadendrum variegated. That one's $500. And this huge Atabapoans. So good. Oh, look at this huge leaf jump on this Beatier. Ooh, and then bam! So cool. Still love those orange stems. And I love any mounted plant, but mounted orchids are just so cool. See, orchids are cool because you can, I guess you can do this with any plant, but I think orchids look especially cool because you get flowers and the look of all these aerial roots are so neat. Man, I keep coming back to this flower. It looks so cool blowing in the wind. Love the rippled leaf on this black velvet. Wow, there's more. I just love the way that this is all displayed like that. I think that's so cool. These are $25. I see that little patch of paths. We're gonna go check it out. All kinds of dendrobiums. It's so beautiful here. Here's that building that we were just in. All along the side of it, they have like a gate and they put all the mounted orchids on it. That's such a great idea. Here we are. So these are all $25. I saw one in bloom in there and it was beautiful. And I am debating if it's worth it to go ahead and have some orchids sent to me. It's $30 for the first orchid and then $10 for the other ones. So this looks like a fun greenhouse. Look at all those aerial roots. Whoa. Beautiful. Check this out, guys. We're in Hawaii. Oh, I see I sense some familiarity in here. I see Birkins, Syndapsis right there. Whoa. So many air plants. I bet they're happy. So, I'm just gonna stand here because I'm not getting my slippers wet. But it's beautiful. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun checking things out. It was so beautiful. I did go ahead and do it. I'm not doing the ordering part though, so I'm picking it up closer to when I leave. I'm gonna be picking it up, but I think it's gonna be packaged still. So I'll show you when I guess I'll do an unboxing when I get home. I think that'd be fun. So stay tuned for that. Check this out. I'm loving those mountains. It's a really cool nursery, like nestled in the mountains of Oahu. Oh, wait, check this out. This is what I'm staring at as I'm talking to you right now. Isn't that beautiful? The breeze is just blowing through. But I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. Throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much. So if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye.